welcome back. Today I can open surprise egg doggy with Anna right here. Ta-da! I get one each ducky. See? I get it. Woohoo! Open the egg. Get it. Put it away. Ta-da! We got the egg, chocolate egg. Look, that's so cute, guys. Yeah, huh? Got pink eyes. Let's shake. Shake. Throw it up. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, look away. Oh, that's a tiny. See? Beautiful. Let's open it up. Let's get open this first. Just show you guys. Whoa, look at the chocolate. Yummy. I can't open the bag yet. This is chocolate. I got this. I gotta take that out. Let's eat one. Oh, look at this. We got cream. Now cream. Good. Yeah. Don't fry enough. Yeah, please. Yeah. Nom. Yeah. And then we put that one. Let's just shake it. Let's have it up. Come over, Ducky. Fast. I get it. We're gonna share one chocolate. That beautiful eye and shake. And let's open it. Same candy. What do you want, color Anna? I want this one. You want the ribbon open? Yes, please. Here. Blue, green, gray, and gray. Oh my goodness. I got 4 left. Yeah? Okay, I want blue. Okay? Yup. Put it right here. And this one is this one. Oh, I get it. Get this. Right here. I got 8. Open it! Yay! Makes me sick. Makes you don't have to eat candy. I don't know what. Why not? Up the candy floor. And that's nothing. Let's shake. Open it up. Same one, the big one. The little, so big. Oh, so cute. I don't know. That kind of stain, right? Kind of stain. Now you want some more? I'm not sure I've eaten that before. I just take pink. Are you sure? Yeah. And I take green. And I just take blue. Silly me. Anna, you want to eat now? Oh, somebody want to eat right now. And I don't want to eat that too sweet. Put it down. And please, you like this and subscribe. You must vote. Bye-bye. Like me and thumb up. See?